Mr. Freeman. We're ready. We're ready to start. So.
UPWA Nation, who's ready for some more action? Our second half of the battle for Morristown continues with this fatal four-way match. It is scheduled for one fall. Introducing competitor number one, hailing from Charlotte, North Jersey, weighing 205 pounds, turn the man. Where are all the mothers at? Well, come on, everybody. Come on, where's all the moms? Raise your hands, moms. Where are you? There's one here. There's one here. There's one here. There's one this way. Yeah, Mom. I have a gift for you. Are you ready for it? This is what you need to do for Mother's Day. You need to go home, wash some clothes, you can make your man some pancakes. Everybody right now needs to stand up and cheer for me. Massachusetts, weighing 200 pounds, fully automatic
Macintosh.
Macintosh said, David Adams, get out of the ring. We're about to do some battle right here. The next participant from East Jersey State Prison in Galway, New Jersey, weighing 207 pounds, Crazy Ivan. There's Crazy Ivan. Hey, the music man, he got it though.
cover. And Crazy Ivan's in this match. We still got one more. These gentlemen, the bell hasn't even officially sounded yet. We gotta have all 4 participants in this match so we can start things off. Irish whip into the corner. A big up and over. He calls that the Ire landing. A face smash right into the knee. Look at that.
And the 4th and final participant from Morristown, Minnesota, weighing 200 pounds, Mr. Excellence, Brenton Scott.
There it is. And Mr. Excellence making a splashdown, literally, for the cover. As this match officially underway now with all 4 participants involved.
You can't win! You can't win!
We got Dan the Man working on Brendan Scott. Dan the Man, here he goes, and double knees right to the chest. Macintosh and Crazy Ivan working outside the ring. Macintosh back in the ring now. Unbelievable knee right to the head of Dan the Man. Double team efforts now from Crazy Ivan and Dan the Man. This could spell trouble for the gentleman from Charlestown, Massachusetts, doing commentary with me earlier this evening. Mr. Excellence Brendan Scott in the mix. The pride of Robbinsdale, Minnesota gets involved, and him and Macintosh make an impact. Keep in mind, though, this isn't a 2-on-2 tag team match. This is every man for himself. As Crazy Ivan quickly breaks up the pate, then it's a super kick right into an Irish leg sweep. Irish leg sweep, Russian leg sweep. Matt Macintosh, he's possessed me in this match. Everything's Irish when you got the luck on your side. Action breaking loose here, and it's a party of drop kicks. Double covers now, 1, 2. Oh, that would have been an interesting predicament. Brandon Scott and Matt Macintosh both scoring pinfall near falls at the same time. And now they're bullying each other back and forth with chops straight to the chest. Rolling from Crazy Ivan. Near fall, and now a rolling from Dan the Man. Quickly broken up by Crazy Ivan. Irish whip reversal and a neck breaker from Crazy Ivan. Matt Macintosh commanding this match now, but Dan the Man, he says, not on my watch. Hits him with an STO.
Stand up and cheer for me!
Mr. Excellence waiting for him, though. And he hits him with an excellent blockbuster. He hooks the leg. Is he going to get him right here? Forget about it.
The winner of this bout, Mr. Excellence, Brenton Scott.
Unbelievable. And there he goes.
Ricky.